So, I have repaired the Fisher woofer. You can see there's a little bit of a glue mark there from my previous repair, but I re-glued it with proper glue instead of school glue, and now it sounds way better, because in my last video, it was distorting quite a bit. Just gonna go like that so it looks better, but it plays pretty well now. I just want to show you with the same songs what it can do. The desk is rattling. The desk is rattling. That's all the distortion you're hearing. The desk is rattling. The desk is really rattling. You can see if I take that off, the distortion stops. That sound is coming from the desk instead of the speaker. I'm gonna go with a low bass note. Doesn't hit it still. Woofer's never played really low. Okay, so here we go with some higher bass. A higher bass sound, so you know how it doesn't distort as much. Again, my desk is distorting. Still distorts a little bit, but that's just normal, because the speaker's at its resonance. Okay, so now you know how good this Fisher woofer is when it's actually working properly. So, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, goodbye, and yay, this woofer's working again.